Everybody to the tune car.
Jalen watching Mickey Mouse.
Mickey, don't we need a combination to open the garage? Yup, you're right, Minnie. Let's see. Oh, I remember. To open the garage this time, we have to jump forward to that circle, then jump backwards to this one.
Just like in my dance. Jump forward, jump backward.
I'm gonna need all of you to help. Are you ready to jump? Great! Here we go. Jump forward.
You jump forward, Jalen.
Great. Now jump backwards.
Jump backwards, Jalen. Backwards.
Oh, it's almost open.
Let's all jump forward one more time. Jump forward. Bingo! Ha! Good jumping, everybody.
You tired?
About him.
Ah!
Ay!